How to log into DGme account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to open up any web browser and search for DGme login, or you can also type this exact website that you can see. Now from here you have the option to log in. Now you have the option to enter your login ID, so go ahead and enter that. Then you need to enter your initials of your legal first and last name. After this, enter your password. If you do not know your EID, click on the Look It Up option that you can see. If you are a first-time user, click on the Register Now option to register your new account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password option. After entering all these three details, click on the Login option to log into your DGme account. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.